Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into a style font family. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this topic. So we are into the Visual Studio Code and the kind of setup we are having an HTML document which contains three articles, and we are also having a style.css which we are going to design for the font family. And this time what we are going to do, we are going to apply the font family for article, h2 tag and the paragraph tag. So let's do it. So how we can do that? We need to specify that article. I want article tag, and then we are telling that h2 tag, h1 tag also we can target, and we are telling that p tag. And here we will need to specify font family, and here we have variety of family. So for this case I'm going to use Arial. This way you can specify the font family. So let's run it and look into the output. So to run it, as usual, select this HTML file, press F1, select the first option, and then we will get the option for open in browser. So click on it. So it has applied the Arial font over here. So how you can verify it? You can just right and inspect. So here you will find that it is Arial. So here you will see here it has applied the Arial font over here. So now consider a scenario. Suppose if you are not having a Arial font installed in your system, so how you will make sure that other font family should be applied in your application? So for such scenario, we will use font family stack. So how we can write the font family stack? So prior to understanding the font family stack, we must have to understand that what will happen if the font is not installed. So in such scenario, default browser style is being applied. But when we use font family stack, then it look for another font if the first font is not available. So let's write it to understand it better. So to write the font family stack, what we need to do, we need to tell that comma. Here we can write Arial, and here you can select this option. So here it is giving us an option. If the Arial is not available, then it will check for this font, Helvetica and sans serif. If this font is not available, then it will look for this font, and if this is not available, then it will try for this font. And this is called font family stack. So it is really good idea whenever we are using it, we always use font family stack. So this is what I wanted to demonstrate you in this session. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.